The dock is basically a little home screen that's always there at the bottom of your iPad. It never goes away, even when it's empty. And since you can't turn it off, you might as well make it work for you. Think of it as the perfect spot for the app you reach out for all the time, or the ones you're tired of digging around for. Adding apps to the dock is really simple. Just drag them in from any home screen page or straight from the app library. And when you don't want something there anymore, drag it right back out. You can even group apps into folders, just like you do on your home screen. And if you want quick access to the app library without swiping through a bunch of pages, you can drop that in the dock too. Your iPad can also help out by showing suggested apps and the ones you've used recently on the right side of the dock. That way, the apps you're most likely to need next are already waiting for you. And because the dock is available from inside any app, it becomes one of the fastest ways to switch what you're doing without jumping back to the home screen.